is Siti Saliha. I'm 27 this year.
My name is Nara. I'm 26 this year. I'm Afifa and I'm 24 this year.
My name is Talina. I'm 37 years old this year.
Nama dia Kamalia. I think this year she is 61. She's a housewife lah.
Wait, let me do some calculation about my mother's age. Her name is Normala binti Abdul Rahman. She's 52 this year. She's currently working in a hospital as a health attendant.
Mom's name is Razima. She is a full-fledged stay-at-home mom. I mean, she doesn't do anything else besides being a full-time mom.
Sekarang my nenek is at my house. So everyday weekdays, dia akan selalu datang my house lah to look after my nenek, look after together.
She has 2 kids and 1 cat.
She looks after us. I mean, we are grown-up kids. I have 2 younger brothers and a younger sister. And even though I'm 37 years old, she still looks after me.
I've seen her, she went through a lot of hardships. Probably during her younger days before she got married, we just heard stories lah, so we don't really see it. But only after we grew up as her kids, we see what are the things she go through and how she still managed to keep a positive attitude towards life and towards people. I think she's a great inspiration over there.
How does my mom inspire me? I think her tenacity. Okay, my mom used to do full-time catering. She used to cater for weddings, small events. For her, it's something that she's passionate about. When you're passionate about something, you go full on. You put all your focus, your energy, your time into it, and that's what she did. So she did that for a few years while raising us up.
Personally, last time I used to be a bit rebellious towards her. You know, like teenagers. When she says no, we will always like macam ikut macam hati kita lah, ikut rentak kita and everything. And she is Alhamdulillah, she is very patient towards me, especially. Dia tak putus asa lah to show me that she actually care.
As a single mother, I think she has done a lot of things for us. Because I know it's not easy to be a single mother, and whatever it is, she put us first before her, and she will always remind us about this duniawi and akhirat. So that's what I hold on to dearly.
She was teaching kids for a period of time, and then she stopped. Then she started going into catering. So I think what inspired me is that the fact that she left her full-time job and went on to look after us at home, and at the same time earn a good amount of money, to raise her kids, to put her kids through school, to put food on the table. Imitate my mom. Actually, my mom's quite a calm person, When she's angry, she gives me the silent treatment. So she'll be like, "I come home late, And you're like, am I supposed to say,
What I always remember is that how she call us, like if we don't get her attention, first she will call us by our shortest name. So it's like, my name is Afifa. Afifa, then she will go like, Ifa, Afifa, no Afifa, betul, wait terus. So there's a lot of warnings before she come and get you.
When she wants to call me, she will call my other siblings yang nama, then last baru my nama. Angah, Kak Long, Kakak, Kacik. Because I think that suits her best. Sebab she always have this mentality that if she wears something like a long dress or hupa something, she will have the thinking that, oh, I don't look nice and apa-apa semua. She always think negative lah. So I hope that with the present, the gift that I give her, maybe will make her change.
Firstly, I picked the item is because I think that item is suitable for her and it covers her modesty, and I think will be perfectly looks good on her lah.
Okay, I chose a shawl for my mom because she was one of the person who inspired me to put on the tudung.
The most that I want to tell her is that I'm really sorry for the things that I've done to her, you know, for all the worries, for all the heartaches that she have to go through, you know. That I'm really sorry, and I love her so much.
Happy Mother's Day. Thank you so much for bringing me and Kakak up despite all the challenges that you faced, and thank you for being an inspirational for both of us, and not also just us but even my friends are inspired from your positiveness and your husnuzon attitude.
It's very difficult for me to say. Even when I'm telling you right now, it gets me very emotional. My mom raised me at a very difficult period of her time. Very difficult, as in we were estranged with her family members.
We love you, and just remember that if there's anything, you can always call us up, and be sure to know that your kids won't forget you until you're old and we take care of you.
I think 5 or 6 years old, I could hear her cry every night. So if there's anything I could tell my mom, will probably be that, you know, we all turned out okay. You know, I think she was worried. She was worried for us.
I'd like to tell her that I'm really sorry for.
We grew up well. We grew up with education.
Jangan selalu merayap. She likes to go. She likes to go.
I hope you like it. Happy Mother's Day, Ma.
Selamat Hari Ibu.
Happy Mother's Day, Ibu.
Assalamualaikum everybody, I'm Syara.
Hi, I'm Lynn Ashley.
Hi, my name is Siti Shuhaida. Hi everyone, I'm Farhana. Hi everyone, I'm Nadra.
Hi everyone, I'm Laura Shikin Mama Ali.
Hi everyone, I'm Sufia Rahmat.
My name is Anum Abu Bakar.
Assalamualaikum Ibu. Saya cakap terima kasih sebab Ibu dah sacrifice banyak benda untuk kita sekeluarga.
To my mom who is having fun at Krabi right now, thank you for everything that you have done for me. I thank my mom for bringing me into this world.
I'd like to say thank you for your endless love and support for all three of us siblings, even like through like difficult times or whatever. I know you always have our best interests in mind, so no matter what, even if I'm like whining or like I'm moody, you still like, you know, love me and still care for me. Terima kasih sebab Ibu selalu menegur kesalahan adik. Things that Ibu suruh kita buat kerana kita tak sampai your expectation ke, and then you have to buat balik untuk kita tunjuk ajar kita. Terima kasih.
I also thank my mom for really taught me a lot when she's still around. Like, you know, I help her in all all the household that she taught me when I was still young. I helped her in the like small business that she did, selling all those quiz and all that, you know.
My mother, she has been gone for almost 23 years already. Thank you for bringing me up so well, teaching me on how to be kind and to always think good of people.
Ibu is there. I think in my entire life, I've never said that I love you. Because it's how our family works. We're very all about the tough love.
There's a lot of things that I wanted to tell her. Basically, how very honored and proud I am to be her daughter.
I just want to say that I love her very much and I miss her very much.
And in a way, I sort of regret not saying it to you enough.
For my mother, Norma Muhammad Nasir, I would like to tell you that I really miss being under one roof with you. I really miss the times that the family spent together, like me, adik, you, ayah.
She has been my rock for so many years, and I find it very, very much so. The love and support that she has given me ever since I lost my husband 2 years ago. I really, really appreciate her presence and her existence in my life. So I want to thank her immensely for being my mother.
I can never repay whatever you have done for me, like no matter what I do lah. I think the sacrifices that you have made for the family is really a lot that like no one really can repay whatever you have done for us.
If my mom is still around, I would like to say to her, thank you for everything. Thank you for being the best mom. And I really wish that she's still around.
At times, I really wish I could be there with the both of you to manage the stall in JB, but because I've married and living with Ashraf, it's really hard for me to think about that because every day I'm missing you guys.
To be really honest, I'm sure you know that you always see me very comfortable with Ayah, and usually I always tend to lie on Ayah more than I lie on you. But I just want you to know that deep down I really appreciate you as my mother. Sometimes I always get irritated by you and I'm so sorry for that. There are many times that I wish I could have been a better daughter, so I really hope that you are proud of me.
I'm still moving on with my life, just hanging on to her fond memories of her.
Our daily kisses and hugs will never be enough to say thank you. Your tiredness we can never explain, and how amazing you can have that strength suddenly every day to do all the things, cooking for us, taking care of ID, cleaning the house, laundry.
I know both of you are struggling hard to make ends meet just to survive on a daily basis. I really respect both of you for that lah. Because you guys are not getting any younger, and Ibu, you don't even know the meaning of tired.
Regret is I didn't get to see my mom for the last time when she passed away. That was just like about 3 to 5 minutes away before she passed on.
Sorry if I've ever been like rude or like I've been like lazy. Like whenever she asked me to like clean the house, I would say later, which I would eventually not do at all, and yeah, she would end up having to do it for me instead.
When I was younger, I banyak kurang ajar, banyak thinking, and I'm really sorry about that.
To all mothers out there, wherever you are, thank you for being the strong woman that you are, and for teaching us, your children,
what unconditional love is and how pure a mother love is.
Happy Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day to my mother and to all the mothers out there. Happy Mother's Day.
Selamat Ibu.
Happy Mother's Day to my mom and all the mothers in the world.
To every warrior out there, I wish you a very blessed Happy Mother's Day, because there's no one more brave, strong as you guys. So thank you for being the bravest, toughest, and the most lovable human being on earth.
Brought to you by Ayu Apparels, Singapore's largest Muslima online store.